To meet you, Mukesh.
Yeah, it's pleasure meeting you.
Indeed.
I can just show you the mail finishers where we are able to print pin mailer through a laser printer and it's totally secure. So I can just show you. This is a laser printer.
Yes.
The basic requirement of the laser printer is that the output has to come at the back of the printer so that a bridge can be aligned for moving the printed pin into a folding machine. That is the first requirement.
Right.
This is our
Base
stationery, which is a pre-glued base stationery where the glue is already applied.
Okay.
Okay?
Previously printed. Previously applied.
Pre-printed stationery with glue already applied on it.
Okay.
This is a special glue,
This is a special pressure seal glue.
pressure seal.
It doesn't feel sticky.
Yeah, if you apply water also, it will not stick. It
Okay.
reacts to only with pressure.
Only pressure.
Yeah, and this is need to be printed in a base stationery plant. We have a printing unit which is Reserve Bank of India approved, and that is in Panvel,
Okay.
which is around 40 kilometers from Bombay City.
Bombay City. Okay.
This is the base stationery we create here, and
Right.
the pin is blank right now.
Yes, there's no variable information on
Right.
here.
No variable, no
This
variable.
is
It's
all
fixed.
the fixed
This
information.
is four color printing we can do.
Right. Okay.
And this stationery we keep it here on this tray.
And this
Not
is
only this is a
secure.
secure printer. So the trays can be locked.
Ah.
So even the stationery, even though there is no data, still cannot be misused.
Cannot be misused. That's
Okay.
a secure feature of the
The
printer.
secure future, this is a lock-in keys from Troy, USA.
Okay.
A special printer.
Special printer.
Yeah, you can also use the normal laser printer, but we normally recommend to go for a special printer.
Well, this secure feature is good for security because you don't want anybody to receive any of those
To
blank
remove,
papers.
to even remove the plain pin mailer.
Right.
Right.
And
Okay.
now what I'm doing is I'm just shooting off the data.
Now the printing will take place. It will come from the printer here.
Yes.
It will transmit. You can see from here. It is transmitted. When it goes down,
And it's
It is-
folded.
the
sheet is delivered from here and folded and
Yes.
pressed together.
Yes. This is the mill
And glue
finisher.
active here.
Yeah, this is output, final output.
Ah,
And this is the product from Beltec. This is the mail finisher 4000 model with the printing speed of 3500 per hour. Very high speed.
yes.
And the purpose of this is automatic folding and sealing. And this is the final output here. As you can see, perfectly aligned. Everything is perfectly aligned.
Very good.
Okay, if you see, it's all equal.
Yes, understand.
This is the base stationery what we showed you.
It's very
From
accurate.
this, it is already folded
Okay.
and perfectly sealed from all the four sides.
So how many pages is this performing per minute? This whole
The
system.
printing speed of this printer is 52 pages per minute.
Right. Okay.
And the paper is transmitted in this through the interface. This is the interface.
Interface.
So
I can see.
nobody can see the pin generated.
Right. You have a bridge here. This
Bridge.
bridge is
Right,
covered
right.
so that
Covered.
it completes the security.
Absolutely right.
Ah.
And then it is folded and sealed here. And the folding and sealing speed of this model, mail finisher, is 3500 per hour.
So it can perfectly handle
Perfectly
the
matching.
output.
Perfectly
The output.
matching. Yes, right.
Okay.
And this is the end product. Now you can see we given the marks here, how to tear it off.
Yes.
Okay, there is a special glue which we use. It's called as a tear off glue.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that if anybody wants misusing it, you'll come to know
Yes.
that somebody is trying to open it.
There's no way of
Yeah,
there's
and
no
now-
way of seeing the pin without
Right.
tearing.
Right, and our USP further is also the perforation. The perforations are quite sharp. It will not go haywire.
Right. Okay.
This is the
That's
second
very
part.
accurate. Very smooth.
Perfectly accurate. The third fold is here.
Mhm.
This I need to cut. Okay.
Mhm.
This perforation is also quite sharp.
Yes.
Now your name is, for example, here.
Okay. So the variable
Yes,
information is now
variable.
on
It's come
the
here.
laser
Address,
printer.
postal address is come here.
Okay.
Then we opening it up. Now this space is for your advertisement.
Right.
Your bank advertisement can be given here. So this space for demo we are leaving it blank.
Right.
Okay. Then this is the pin which is generated here.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
3474 is your pin.
Right.
And how to use this pin safety methods terms are given here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now as you can see from here, the advantage compared to the conventional dot matrix printer. This is laser printed.
Yes.
So you can read it very properly.
Yes.
Okay, 3 will look like 3, will not look like 8.
Yes. There's no
There will
way
be
of
there is-
mistaking
there are-
it.
Yeah, absolutely. There are no smudges.
Right. Understand.
Okay, and if you see security angle point of view, this rear portion is blackened.
Yes. So
Because
you
of
can't
some kind
read
of a
it from
design.
the
If I
inside,
hold it like this, you can't see the pin generated.
even if you use a bright light.
Right.
Okay.
And the second is the impact. The impact here for pin generation is reduced so that it is not more dark.
Indeed. Yes.
So you cannot be able to see it from rear
You
also.
can't see it from the back.
So this is the end product ready, which is opened by the customer. He can just go and operate in his ATM machine, and there is no wastage, nothing, and a single piece. Normal traditional pin mailer will have 3 pages,
Right.
and this is carbonized. So a lot of people handling that, and by the time the customer receives it, he is not able to read properly.
This seems a more efficient way of doing it.
Right. So how you find it, sir?
Very, very interesting. Looks very productive. Looks very secure,
And the perfect finish.
and the perfect finish. Yes, I see that. Very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.